Hi, it's me again. I'll be doing the publish this time because our production coordinator is busy with something else and we really need this to be pushed to edit. Now that Flix has done this, let's look at the contact sheet that was generated. So this will be more helpful than the first time around because most panels have already been delivered to Editorial. Here, panel 11-2 is a new one we'll receive as part of the publish. And there's another couple of new delivered boards here as well in this shot. Now for the XMLs. Like earlier in the all XML we'll have all the clips, while the new XML will only contain the 3 new clips marked as such in the contact sheet. Let's just have a look at the assets folder here, which highlights the fact that Flix has only exported these 3 new clips instead of redelivering every single panel from the edit, which would cause a lot of media duplication in the Editorial. It's also exported a flattened version of the sequence audio as a reference. This time, we'll bring in the new XML. So let's open the sequence to see what it looks like. As expected, only the 3 new clips are in the timeline, but the timing has been retained, which should make it fairly straightforward for me to cut these into our master sequence. So let's do this now. I'll copy these 3 clips from this sequence. I'll go to the master sequence that our editor has been working on. We'll add a video track to insert these new boards. And we'll make sure to find the right board here and paste the new clips in. So we now have the updated boards in the right spot in the edit, because we get the timing from Premiere initially, but also because our editor hasn't made timing changes since, so it all fits nicely. Now that we've got the updated boards in the right spot, we can clean everything up. Obviously, this process can be repeated over and over until your final locked animatic. We'll stop here in this case for the purpose of this webinar, but in a more real-life scenario you may want to make more changes and push them to story, in which case we could push this back to story and repeat the whole process over again.